What if I told you that the job you're doing today might not exist by the year 2030? It sounds like science fiction, but for millions of workers around the world, this possibility is becoming more realistic every year. Artificial intelligence is advancing at a speed that few people predicted. Just a few years ago, AI could barely hold a conversation. Today, it can write articles, create images, generate videos, translate languages, analyze data, and even write computer code. Some of the world's largest companies are investing billions of dollars into AI because they believe it can dramatically increase productivity while reducing costs. And that's where the concern begins. Throughout history, technology has always changed the way humans work. The Industrial Revolution replaced many forms of manual labor. Computers transformed offices. The Internet reshaped entire industries. But AI is different. Previous technologies mostly replaced physical work. AI has the potential to replace certain types of mental work as well. Tasks that once required human thinking, decision-making, and creativity can now be completed by machines in seconds. Imagine a company that previously needed 10 employees to complete a specific task. If advanced AI can help 2 employees perform the same amount of work, what happens to the other 8? This is the question keeping economists, business leaders, and workers awake at night. Some experts believe AI could eliminate millions of jobs over the next decade. Others argue that AI will create entirely new industries and opportunities that don't even exist today. So who's right? The truth is that both sides may be correct. Some jobs will likely disappear. Some jobs will transform. And completely new careers will emerge. The people who adapt early may benefit enormously. The people who ignore these changes may struggle to keep up. But before we talk about which jobs are most at risk, we need to understand why AI is advancing so quickly and why so many companies are racing to adopt it. Because once you understand that, the future becomes much easier to predict. Now that we understand why AI is advancing so rapidly, let's talk about the question most people are asking. Which jobs are actually at risk? The answer may surprise you. Many people assume that factory workers or drivers will be affected first. But in reality, some of the biggest changes are happening inside offices. Let's start with data entry. For years, businesses have hired people to organize information, update spreadsheets, process forms, and manage records. Today, AI systems can perform many of these tasks automatically. What once took hours can now take minutes. Next is customer support. Millions of customer service conversations are already being handled by AI chatbots. These systems are becoming smarter every year. They can answer questions, solve problems, and provide support around the clock without taking breaks. Another category at risk is basic content creation. Simple articles, product descriptions, summaries, and marketing copy can now be generated by AI in seconds. This doesn't mean all writers will disappear. But it does mean the demand for certain types of writing may decrease. Transcription is another example. AI can convert speech into text with impressive accuracy. Tasks that once required human transcriptionists can now be completed almost instantly. Even some graphic design work is changing. AI image generators can create logos, illustrations, marketing graphics, and visual concepts within minutes. Again, this doesn't mean professional designers will vanish. But routine design tasks are becoming increasingly automated. The common pattern is simple. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, predictable processes, and structured information are generally more vulnerable to automation. The more predictable the work, the easier it is for AI to learn and perform it. But here's where things become interesting. Not every job is equally threatened. In fact, some professions may become even more valuable in the age of AI. And those jobs could offer incredible opportunities for people who prepare early. At this point, you might be wondering whether any jobs are truly safe. The answer is yes. While AI is extremely powerful, there are still many areas where humans have a significant advantage. Let's start with healthcare. Doctors, nurses, surgeons, and healthcare professionals perform tasks that require human judgment, empathy, communication, and trust. AI can assist them by analyzing medical data and identifying patterns, but patients still want human care when facing important health decisions. Next are skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, construction specialists, and technicians work in constantly changing real-world environments. These jobs require problem-solving, adaptability, and physical interaction with the world. Replacing them completely with AI and robots is far more difficult than many people realize. Engineering is another field likely to remain valuable. AI can help engineers work faster, but designing complex systems, solving unique challenges, and making critical decisions still requires human expertise. Then there's leadership. Businesses need managers, entrepreneurs, and decision-makers who can understand people, manage risk, and create long-term strategies. AI can provide information, but leadership requires responsibility and vision. Creative professionals also have opportunities. The future may not belong to people who ignore AI. Instead, it may belong to people who learn how to use AI as a tool. A designer who uses AI could become more productive. A writer who uses AI could produce more content. A business owner who uses AI could serve more customers. In many cases, AI may not replace humans. Instead, humans using AI may replace humans who refuse to use it. That is one of the most important lessons of the AI revolution. Technology has always rewarded people who adapt. And AI may be no different. But there's one final question we still need to answer. What will the world actually look like in 2030 if AI continues advancing at its current pace? So what might the world of work actually look like by the year 2030? No one knows with complete certainty. But if current trends continue, the workplace could look very different from what we see today. Many routine tasks may become heavily automated. Businesses could operate with smaller teams while producing more output than ever before. AI assistants may help employees write reports, analyze information, schedule tasks, communicate with customers, and make decisions faster. Some jobs may disappear entirely. Others may evolve into roles that don't exist today. Think about it. A decade ago, very few people were talking about prompt engineers, AI trainers, or AI content specialists. Today, these roles are becoming increasingly common. The same thing could happen again over the next few years. History shows that technological revolutions often eliminate certain jobs while creating new opportunities. The challenge is that the transition can be difficult. People who adapt early often benefit the most. People who wait too long may find themselves struggling to catch up. That's why the most important skill of the future may not be coding. It may not be engineering. It may not even be artificial intelligence itself. The most important skill could be adaptability. The willingness to learn. The willingness to change. And the willingness to work alongside new technologies instead of competing against them. Because the future may not belong to AI alone. It may belong to humans who understand how to use AI effectively. So, will AI replace most jobs by 2030? Probably not. But it will almost certainly transform the way millions of people work. And those changes are already beginning today. The question is no longer whether AI is coming. The question is whether you're ready for it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to NEXORA for more content about artificial intelligence, future technology, science, innovation, and the world that's being built right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.